What is up, guys? Sam Pack here, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about tech, gear, and keyboards. And happy New Year's to everybody, and welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel. And if you guys are new here, I have a video series called Honest Tech Reviews where I give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on a product. And a lot of you guys have been messaging me and commenting me saying to do more budget-friendly tech products because, you know, not everyone can afford an Apple product or expensive gear. So I wanted to do more of these kind of reviews in depth for you guys. And so FiFine reached out to me to review one of their USB microphones, and even though they sent me this product, it does not affect my review in any way. And with that said, let's get started. So this is the K678 USB microphone. It's a $60 USB mic aimed for people who want a simple mic for gaming, podcasting, streaming, or recording music. And their goal is to provide an affordable option, yet having a great audio quality with the simplicity of just plug and play. You know, it comes with a micro USB cable and an adapter to use different mic stand. So let's start off with the build quality. The whole mic is made out of metal with this nice matte black finish, and the microphone stand is also made out of the same materials. It's super smooth. I really like how sleek and minimal this mic looks, and it looks really nice. This mic is about 715 grams with the stand attached, and it's approximately 8 inches tall with the stand, so it won't take that much space on your desk. The volume knob and gain knob on the back both feel really smooth, and I like how there's some friction in there so that you don't turn the knob by mistake. Also, I really like how they have the mute button on the front, and it has an LED to tell you if you are on mute or not. And on the mic itself, there's a headphone jack that you can plug into to monitor the microphone as well as hear your computer audio. The mic is easily adjustable using these screws to position the mic how you want it, and you can also detach the stand to use an adapter they provided to mount it on a different mic stand if you wanted to. I know this might not be obvious to some people, but make sure you have the microphone facing like this. This is the front of the microphone where the logo is. Don't use the microphone like this because you won't get the full sound since it's supposed to block the noise in the back. Also, don't use it like this either. Make sure the logo is facing you. And for you sound nerds out there, here's the frequency response chart for this mic. So now probably what everyone is here for is the sound test. How good does this mic sound? So I wanted to do a sound comparison between 3 different microphone setups, and I chose to do this because I want to show you guys the difference in audio quality from various price points. And all of these recordings don't have any kind of post-production EQ or compression on them. So this is a test of the FiFine K678 USB microphone, and I positioned it this far because I feel like most people have it set up like this for gaming. And since it's a condenser microphone, it should be able to pick up your voice even from this length. So next, this is the blue Yeti microphone. I wanted to do a sound comparison between this microphone and the K678, and I wanted to hear the difference in sound quality. So which one do you guys think sounds better? So this is my actual microphone setup that I usually use. It is the Shure SM7B connected with a CL cloud lifter into a Scarlett 2i2. And what do you guys think of the quality compared to the other 2 microphones? So to me, the FiFine sounds similar to the Blue Yeti. I think the K678 sounds great, especially for the price that you're paying for. The Blue Yeti is almost twice as expensive, mostly because it has more options in terms of polar patterns, but I don't think the audio quality is worth double the price of the FiFine microphone. And to me, you could definitely hear the difference between the SM7B setup and the K678, but even that, I don't think it's worth the price difference, you know, if you're not looking to spend too much money for a microphone. So if you're trying to find a good quality microphone for gaming or recording music and not trying to break your wallets, I think this mic is perfect. I haven't had any issues using this device so far. It's pretty straightforward once you plug it into the computer, and overall I do like how the mic sounds, especially for this price point. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this mic, and leave a comment for other budget tech products you guys want me to review. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.